All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today worked on a new task, which is similar to the last two tasks that I did, which is still making up these HVAC units, but this is the third type of unit. So the first one was super basic with this big brain. The second one was with the smaller brain and then the green box. And now we are on to the third type, which is a big brain with a whole bunch of mess of wires, plus that box on top, which I'm not really sure what that is. It's a RIB unit or rib, plus this little control transformer in here. So there's a disconnect switch, which we did not put in. The electricians put that in on the side of the box right there, but there's a whole mess of wires, whole bunch of things going on. So a whole bunch of new things to learn today. So the first one took a little bit longer than normal just because I was learning it, but I was also going through, I'm going through every single unit on the first floor, or just the one half of the building. So I'm going through the one half of the building, checking and making sure these are all right, just because the guy that was working on them left, another older gentleman, and like the first or second unit that I went to, or the third one, like everything was wrong in it. Everything was wired backwards. All the colors were wrong. So I just don't know. Maybe it's just an old person's thing, but I swear these old journeymen just are really terrible. I don't know what it is. These people are like 50 or 60 years old, so I don't know. Maybe they're just blind, or they're just, I don't even know, but it's blowing my mind. So anyways, still got the same wires as the first time, which is the Cat 5, the two blue back nets, the 24 volt white, and then you still have the HC valve, and now another wire going up on top of the box for that little switch. And then, of course, have to make sure these wires are in their correct order. And then with the new wires on top of the box, we have the white and green on the left and the black and red on the right. So those are new wires. Here is another picture of the control transformer, which you have to hook over this one certain black wire coming off of the back, off that little thing that I can't think of the name right now. And then going, so the other wires I have, oh my gosh, I can't talk. The other wires I have to hook up are the orange and gray wires. Two gray wires go to the control transformer, and then the orange wires, the one orange wire goes to the black, another orange wire goes to the blue, and then a white wire goes to the yellow. And then once I hook all these wires up inside of here, the green, white, black, and red, and then you have to make sure that switch is in the down position. So there's just a whole bunch of things to remember, to make sure you check off before you walk away. Make sure everything is in the right order, and once again plug in the red and blue air lines right there, and making sure everything is in the right color order. This is an older picture without the new green, white, and red, black wires. The old guy ran 2-wire to these units, and they needed a 4-wire, so I had to take apart the switch boxes on top of the units and run a new wire to all of them so far. So one of them hasn't been right. So anyways, here is my list of all the units. There's 11 of the FPBs. As you can see, I cross out the ones that I've done so far. And then there's 3 of the old style VAV units, which was basically the first style, with a little bit of extra wire. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Sorry I was stumbling over my words. Nothing too typical here, but a little bit worse than normal. As always, have to check the directions of the rods and the clamps, and setting the open and closed parameters. So all that stuff, a lot of stuff was forgotten that the old guy before me was working on, so just have to go back and check every single one of these. He didn't have like a checkoff list like I was doing, so I just have to check every unit, making sure that they are done and done correctly. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm happy it's the weekend, just working. I worked 3 9-hour days and an 8.5-hour day on Monday. So I'm happy it's the weekend. Got some fun plans over the weekend. And I also shot a video, or I finished a video last night of the hanging chandelier. If you missed that live stream, there is a short video. So I took the 30-minute video and I shortened it down into 5 minutes, and it only took me like 5 minutes to edit. So it's really nice. I really like editing on the iPhone. So shout out to Apple and iMovie. Anyways, guys, don't forget, if you enjoyed the video, to drop a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. It would super help out the channel. Also drop a comment for the algorithm. I'd appreciate that as well. Check the description for anything else like social medias, Instagram, and any video playlist if you're interested in that. And lastly, last but not least, if you want to be notified when I go live or upload videos, make sure to hit the notification bell. Anyways, guys, God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day and an awesome weekend if you don't work on Fridays. Peace.